Is your SEO strategy delivering the results you need? If it's working, your site should be generating consistent customers and profits. But if you're unsure, here's a deep dive into how to evaluate your SEO's effectiveness. Let's start with target traffic. SEO traffic isn't just about numbers. It's about attracting the right audience. Target traffic refers to visitors who genuinely need your products or services. For example, a pet grooming business wants people who own pets, not just anyone who likes animal videos. Traffic should show consistent growth. Ideally, a 100% quarterly increase is the benchmark, but even smaller growth, say 10%, is a step in the right direction. What matters most is the trend. If there's no noticeable improvement after a year, despite your efforts, it's time to reassess your strategy. And don't fall for the trap of vanity metrics. For instance, arbitrage traffic may boost your numbers, but it won't bring real value if visitors aren't engaging or converting. Next, let's talk about search engine rankings. Every website owner dreams of hitting Google's first page, especially for high-value keywords. Reaching the top 10 is the first step, then aim for the top 5, and eventually the top 3 where most of the clicks happen. But here's the reality. Even ranking number 1 doesn't guarantee profit. Issues like high prices or a poor user experience might deter customers. Plus, not all keywords are equal. Competitive terms like buy a TV are vague, while long-tail keywords like buy LG 42, TV model PG, 5400 mHz with free shipping show clear intent and convert better. To get real results, go beyond rankings. Refine your keyword strategy, improve your branding, and consider professional help to align SEO with business goals. Conversions are the ultimate goal. Rankings and traffic don't mean much if they don't translate into leads or sales. But here's a key point. Your ROI must also make sense. If you're spending $10,000 on SEO, but only earning $5,000 in revenue, your strategy needs a serious overhaul. A good SEO plan might take time, but it should eventually deliver a return on investment. If it doesn't, you may need expert guidance to create a sustainable strategy. Now, let's look at click-through rate, CTR. CTR measures how often users click your site after seeing it in search results. Even if you rank well, a low CTR signals a problem. For service-based sites, a CTR of 3 to 5% is average. If you're in the number 1 spot, a healthy CTR is closer to 30%. Improving CTR often involves optimizing your titles, meta descriptions, and understanding your audience's intent. Finally, the quality of leads matters just as much as quantity. SEO shouldn't just bring in visitors. It should attract high-intent customers who are ready to convert. Lots of traffic with minimal profit usually points to low-quality leads. The solution? Work smarter, not harder. Focus on refining keyword targeting, analyzing lead behavior, and consistently adjusting your strategy. In conclusion, SEO success is a mix of factors. Target traffic, rankings, conversions, CTR, and lead quality all play a role. The key is to balance them all and continuously refine your approach. When done right, SEO becomes a sustainable, profitable strategy that fuels your business growth. If you'd like expert support or want to learn more, check out the full article. Link in the description.